Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings and then navigate into Storage. So right here, and then choose your SD card. Now once you're in here, you want to tap on the three dots and go into Storage Settings, where you will see the Format option. So tap on that, Format SD card, and the process will begin. Now this process will remove all your data, so if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise it won't be recoverable. So then tap on Done, and the process is now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.